So let's fix the problem, could not create an account for your iPhone. So for that one, the first thing you're going to do right now is check if your internet connection is quite strong. To check that one, go to settings right there, or just basically go in here, making sure that that is a Wi-Fi connection and not a data connection. Step number 2, going to settings, click on general over here, clicking software update. The process for this one is that making sure there is no pending update for your software moving forward. Next up, same drill, under settings, looking for VPN, that should be under cellular. If I click on that one, it should be around here somewhere. So if you can't find VPN here, just search it up on the search bar right there, type in VPN, wait for the results, and that should do it. Make sure this is not connected to any internet connection or any services. So go back on the landing page of settings for the next step, like so. In here, go back on general, looking for the one that says transfer and reset iPhone. So if I click on that one, making sure that you erase all your data, just to restart your phone. Now, if the problem still persists, open up your Safari, go to this website called account.apple.com, basically that's also appleid.apple.com. In here, basically sign in and create your account from this part right there. And that should do it.